The mustard chicken. He's a potato.
It's potato.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be going to Cafe Nova. They're a Indian and Sri Lankan place. We're really excited to try it out. Today we're going to be trying out a rice and curry buffet. So really excited for that because I want to try the different curries that they have. Hopefully they're not all spicy, right? But hey, you know, if they are, we'll just roll with it. How many curries have you had before?
I've had Japanese curry, like a lot of it. We actually cook it at home. Korean curry, is that Japanese?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe it's a variation, but if anybody knows, correct us if we're wrong.
Yeah, and then I've had different, I'm sure there's like a bajillion kinds of Indian curry. I've had a few.
Today we're gonna be able to expand our palate in terms of curry. So let's try different ones, and you know, who knows, maybe we'll be surprised. We're definitely gonna learn about curries today. Cafe Nova is literally on the corner where Loyola begins, just a couple of minutes away from the Red Line, and there's plenty of parking in the area too. Sri Lankan cuisine is the type of food you usually have a better chance of finding in New York, but lucky for us, now we have a chance to enjoy it here in Chicago. We were certainly introduced to exciting ingredients and flavor combinations that we otherwise would never have thought of. Things like banana blossom on rice or cassava curry. Even the more familiar dishes were expertly done. Our only regret was not arriving to this lunch a bit sooner because there was indeed quite a demand for some specific curries. But we still got to try a good variety of dishes. Here we're just highlighting some of our favorites. So basically I got a little bit of everything. I got the banana leaf rice, regular rice, mustard chicken curry, eggplant curry, beet stir fry. This was chickpea, I forgot what it was. So I do notice that some of them do have chilies in there, so I assume they're gonna be spicy. But you know, we'll work through it.
Okay.
Let me try the chicken. There's a little bit of a kick, it's not spicy. And the eggplant is really creamy. Let's try the beet stir fry.
That's good?
That's also very good. Like if you don't like beets because it has that earthy, kind of like earthy dirt flavor, there's none of that here. This one's a bit spicier. So I've gone from basically no spice, a little bit of spice, a bit more spice. Yeah, I think the lentils. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. And then here's still the spinach one. That's good too, I think. Ooh. This is the spiciest one so far. Nice and crispy. Yeah, your plate looks very good too.
I think I'm most excited about the banana blossom rice. Because I've never had banana blossom.
Yeah, there it is. You know, now that you mentioned it, I forgot to try that one.
Coming from an island, it never occurred to me that you could eat that.
Right? We don't have that in Puerto Rico.
It's really good. It tastes like onions because of the onions that it has in there. That's my favorite so far.
Yeah.
That's yuca.
Right?
That's like cassava.
Yeah.
I like that one too. I've never tried this.
Yeah, I forgot to grab that. But it looks like a good way to pick up some of the curry. Yeah, try picking up some curry with it.
I think it's just too crunch.
Oh really?
Oh, this is I can have like popcorn. No, I got sambal too.
You got some? Oh no.
Yeah. Am I adding too much? I don't know. I'm scared. That's not so spicy.
Ah, wait. It's probably one of those that builds up.
It might be. It's very smoky. I've never had anything like that. That's really good. It's very oniony. Oh man. Where has this been my whole life? This is so good. So the tamarind chicken just became available because this place is happening. There's like so many people eating. So tamarind chicken. That's really good.
How much of a tamarind flavor does that have?
It just makes it a little bit sweeter. It's not spicy at all. I like it. Very peppery.
Tamarind chicken as well. You're right. It doesn't have it has a bit of sweetness, but it doesn't taste like the tamarind that I'm used to, right? Where in Puerto Rico, tamarind is kind of more of a sweetish kind of treat. Here it just has that complex flavor, a bit of sweetness. You get a little bit of a hint of the tamarind and the pepper flavor. It's really good.
Guys, I'm a Sri Lankan guy. Moved out here in 2016, about 5 years. No restaurants here, so we thought to open. My chef has 25 years experience cooking South Indian Sri Lankan cuisine. So teamed up, worked out good.
Nice. I really like it. And so today specifically, you guys have a buffet going on. Is this something that's going to occur regularly, or just for special?
This is our first time from the buffet, but we're hoping we can possibly do this every month, once a month or every other week. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
And what would you recommend for somebody just trying it for the first time?
Try a ricotta burrata. It's on the menu. Most special number 2. Curry number 3, chicken mustard curry. Awesome.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds great. Welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessional.
the curry edition.
Damn, it's been a long time.
It's been a long time. And see how we do it now.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get my face into the frame.
Sorry.
Because the setup is different now.
And Naval is also feeding Nico at the moment.
Yeah,
because he got really hungry. Just
and
eating
cranky.
Papa Dam.
Yeah, he gets hangry.
He gets hungry.
He gets hangry. So this one's gonna be a quick one.
So which of the curries was your favorite one? Because I know my favorite.
I think I really like the chicken mustard one. That was really good. But to be quite honest, I like they were all really good. I really liked but my favorite one, it wasn't a curry specifically per se, it was the beet stir fry. That was my favorite actually.
I thought that was a curry.
It was just beet stir fry. At least that's the name that I saw, beet stir fry.
Yeah, and I like the dal.
Yeah.
It tasted amazing. Like,
really good.
I've never had, that's the best one I've had, for sure.
Yeah.
And I also like the tamarind chicken.
That was really good too. That was really, I mean,
I could have a bunch of that on top of rice. And
you can't go wrong with any of this
Yeah,
stuff
they were
there.
all good. Yeah, we were surprised. We were like, we really haven't tried a lot of curry now that we've been here.
It was great talking to the owners and like learning about how they came up with the name, or how they came up with the concept for Cafe Nova, and it's really great food. We hope to go back soon, and
you guys need to try it out.
Yeah, try it out. And you know, I believe he said they were going to try to do the buffet once a month. Take advantage. That way you can get a little bit of everything and try and see what you like the most.
And as always,
see you in the next one.
See you in the next one, because we gotta go for a nap. Bye.